Hello again, everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Wagwan.
I'm Whitney once again.
And I'm Jessie.
All right, so today's video is gonna be about my husband, pretty much me testing his knowledge in patois, my native language. I know for years he's been trying to be, fluent in our language. So today we're just gonna test out what he knows and what he doesn't know. So I have a list of questions, words, and phrases, okay?
And I have no idea what these questions or phrases are yet, so we all gonna find out together. So
he didn't get a chance to preview it or anything, so we're just gonna get right into it. I'm just gonna speak Jamaican and he's gonna have to translate in English. All right, so here we go. The first one is a word. Do it.
Oh, easy. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Okay. All right. Check mark for that one. All right. The second one is a question. Where you there?
Where you at? So where you at, right?
Check mark. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. I see you. All right. The third one is a phrase.
Okay.
Give me some of that.
Give me some of that.
English, please.
Give me some.
English. Standard English. Go ahead.
Let me have some.
I guess. Half check mark. It should have been give me some of that.
That's what I said.
Okay.
That's what I said, right?
All right.
That's
The fourth one is also a statement. Left me alone.
Leave me alone.
Okay. All right. Cool.
Left me alone now.
Okay. All right. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Okay. 5. Midday I'm a G.
Midday. That mean I'm here. My gangster, right?
General.
My general. There you go. Yeah.
Half check mark. Okay. All right. You just said this one, so this one should be pretty easy. Wagwan.
What up?
Pretty much. Yep. This one is a little, okay. Me would I breed you?
I want to get you pregnant.
Yes. Okay.
That's why you answer that one.
All right. The next one is you know if I say that.
You don't have to say that, or you're not supposed to say that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. About that. All right. The next one is simia.
Simia. Is it some more?
No.
See me here?
Yes. All right. All right. So, last but not least, it the over there so.
No. It's over there. Over there so.
He pretty much got everything right, guys. Just a few words, off here and there, but I guess you're learning,
Oh yeah, most definitely.
All right then.
So if you guys like, subscribe, and
Share if you want to see more of us, Thank you. Bye.